Histology is the study of the microscopic structure of tissues. It involves examining the composition, function, and organization of cells within tissues, helping to understand their role in various organs. This field is essential for diagnosing diseases and medical research. An obstetrician is a doctor specializing in pregnancy, childbirth, and the care of women during and after pregnancy. They monitor maternal and fetal health, manage complications, assist in delivery, and provide advice on reproductive health and family planning. A geriatrician is a doctor specializing in the care of older adults. They focus on managing age-related health issues such as chronic conditions, mobility, and cognitive decline, aiming to improve quality of life and promote healthy aging in elderly individuals. An ophthalmologist is a medical doctor specializing in the diagnosis, treatment, and surgery of eye diseases and disorders. They manage conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration, and perform surgeries to improve or restore vision and eye health. A cytologist is a specialist who studies cells, including their structure, function, and abnormalities. They diagnose diseases like cancer by examining cell samples under a microscope, helping to detect conditions at early stages and guide appropriate treatment plans. A pediatrician is a medical doctor specializing in the care of children, from newborns to adolescents. They diagnose and treat illnesses, manage growth and development, provide preventive care, and address emotional and behavioral health, ensuring children's overall well-being and health. A radiation oncologist is a doctor who specializes in using radiation therapy to treat cancer. They plan and oversee treatments, aiming to target and destroy cancer cells while minimizing damage to surrounding healthy tissues, improving patient outcomes and quality of life. A dermatologist is a medical doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating skin, hair, and nail conditions. They manage diseases like acne, eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancer, providing treatments through medications, procedures, and surgeries to improve skin health and appearance. An endocrinologist is a doctor specializing in the diagnosis and treatment of hormone-related disorders. They manage conditions like diabetes, thyroid diseases, and adrenal disorders by regulating hormone levels through medications, lifestyle changes, and sometimes surgical interventions for better overall health. Pathology is the study of diseases, focusing on their causes, development, and effects on the body. Pathologists examine tissues, organs, and bodily fluids to diagnose conditions, guide treatment decisions, and enhance understanding of how diseases impact health. A urologist is a doctor specializing in the diagnosis and treatment of urinary tract disorders in both men and women, as well as male reproductive issues. They manage conditions like kidney stones, urinary infections, prostate problems, and bladder disorders. Hypoplasia is the underdevelopment or incomplete development of an organ or tissue, resulting in reduced size or function. It can be congenital or caused by environmental factors, leading to health issues depending on the affected organ or tissue. A colorectal surgeon specializes in diagnosing and treating disorders of the colon, rectum, and anus. They manage conditions like colorectal cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, and hemorrhoids, often performing surgeries such as colectomies, resections, and minimally invasive procedures for treatment. Nosocomial refers to infections acquired within a hospital or healthcare setting. These infections, also known as hospital-acquired infections, HAIs, can occur due to surgeries, medical procedures, or prolonged stays. often caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi, requiring prompt treatment. A hematologist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing and treating blood disorders, such as anemia, leukemia, and clotting problems. They analyze blood tests, manage conditions affecting blood cells, and provide treatment through medications, transfusions, or bone marrow procedures. A radiologist is a medical doctor specializing in diagnosing diseases and conditions through imaging techniques like X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and ultrasounds. They interpret images, help identify issues like fractures or tumors, and guide treatment decisions for various medical conditions. A thoracic surgeon specializes in surgical procedures involving the chest, particularly the heart, lungs, and other organs in the thoracic cavity. They treat conditions like lung cancer, heart disease, and esophageal disorders, performing surgeries such as lung resections and heart bypasses. An orthopedist is a doctor specializing in diagnosing, treating, and performing surgeries on bones, joints, muscles, and ligaments. They manage conditions like fractures, arthritis, and spinal disorders, often using treatments such as surgery, physical therapy, and medications to improve mobility and function.